Dave, do you think you got the right measurement? I'm ready to go. Let's take a trip. Oh, come on, man, let's go. Let's go to Home Depot.
Hey, folks. Today, we're going to take a little road trip here in Tennessee. It's kind of like 30 minutes away. We're going to get the wood, finally, before winter comes. And we're going to start our ceiling. You guys ready to go? Yeah, let's go. Those are my little helpers. They make sure I measure properly. Remember, measure twice, cut once.
There's the measurements. Road trip. Let's go. Are we there yet?
Hey folks, Dave from Yanis Outdoor Adventures. Yeah, we're getting started on the next step of converting this cargo trailer into a nice little camper. I skipped all the boring stuff because I really wanted to, and we're going to have some trimming here. I really wanted to do a different kind of ceiling, but they didn't have what I was looking for, and at the same time, wood is up sky high. So let me give you a quick rundown. Over here, we have a low voltage, goes from 120 volts primary, 12 volts secondary. We have a switch here, which I can put a dimmer on it, whatnot. Now, that's temporary lighting right there. These furring strips are screwed in to the steel. This trailer is a better trailer than most. 16-inch on center, even the walls. Heavier gauge metal, and it's good stuff. So, as you see, I went with the plywood. Now, this stuff right here is going to be covered up with a theme. My wall is a shiny gray stuff, and that's like a light blue. The lighting is a little bad. I just wanted to give you a little rundown what I'm doing. And what's going to happen is we're going to be putting some nice strips, and I'm going to do the color. We have red back there. We're going to be putting strips, and they're going to have, since this is light blue, we're going to have gray and red, and it's going to be like a 3D bring it down type of thing. It's not done yet, and you won't even see this stuff when I'm done. I got my holes and my wire, which was already pre-wired, over here against the wall. Reason why I have them over there, because that's going to be a cabinet all the way across. Two cabinets actually, one from there to about right there, and then right above this little refrigerator, which I get a bigger refrigerator if I want to. And they're going to be inside the cabinet, the lights, or whatever I want to do with it. So far so good. We had a little issue with the fan cutting out dealy, but we got her done. And stay tuned, folks. I got the puck lights. I'm going to show you the puck lights next. So, hey, please hit the like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and please leave a comment. I'm not going to bore you with how to put the wood up. If you want to learn how to do that, well, let me put that back up there. You want to learn how to do that? You go with plenty of channels out there to show you how to do it. But right now, this is just a process. And I'm like I said, I'm not 100% happy with what I had to go with, but then again, I'm putting it in a way where I could put slat later. It's not going to be permanent. If I wanted to take it down, I could take it down. And that's what the strips come in and the color stuff. Excuse the lighting in here. Excuse my bed, I didn't make my bed. That bed goes up, gives me plenty of room. And hey, this is nice. Got the little refrigerator going. We got the little air conditioner. The fantastic fan, which blows in or sucks out. And sometimes I don't even need for it to blow in. I just turn it on, sucks out, and open up these windows here. Got one on that side, one on that side. Boom, boom, boom. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to get this ceiling done finally before the winter. And the nose, you see down there, I ran out of wood. And I got to get another piece of insulation. Isn't that something? All right. We'll talk to you later. You see my reflection? Hello, this is me talking to you. Stay tuned. I'll be back. All right, look at that, huh? These things are really cool. They pop right in. It comes with a hole saw. It comes with a pack of 6 I chose the warm light, and that one right there is not on because that's going to be, that used to be a big old bright thing, but when you have your shore power hooked up to your vehicle, so that's going to be that, which is not very necessary, just when you're coming in real quick. And yeah, they just got little clips, hole saw, put the wires together. These wires here that are hanging here for cabinets, and those are for 2 more lights. Hey folks, so this is we're working on the nose, the V-nose front part of the ceiling. Basically, there's videos out there to give you step by step what you do. You measure from one end to the other for your width, and then you measure what you need, the total distance. And so we got these cut, then you measure where it curves, you mark it, and then what we did here is we cut on an angle. I'm going to let you know how to do it precisely in a little while. But right now we're running out of sunlight, so we're going to get this sanded. I'm going to tack it up there real quick, make my marks for my lights. Boom, boom, boom. Hey folks, got the dimmer on. Boy, that dimmer comes so small it doesn't even fit in a electrical box. I had to adapt it. Let's see, it works nice though. All the way down, and then we're gonna go all the way up. Pretty good. Well, what a mess that was. I had to adapt it, drill some holes. This little thing right here does not fit in any kind of electrical box. They sell you that so you can mount it into some wood, or perhaps they might have a little box. But I was gonna paint this, but I had such a hard time. Anyways, it works. That's all that counts. I'll probably take this back off and paint it black. Fill that little hole up right there. What a mess. But I like the outcome. Dimmer, LED dimmer, and these are LED dimmable lights. Now I can not have it in my eyes at night when I'm laying in bed. Well, got the nice nose piece in there. Now today I'm going to start on some trim. We're going to have some trim. That's going to be the color of that wall, which is like a dark, shiny gray. And then this will be somewhat like that. And I'm going to have a theme where it's going to go gray and then red when we go down this way. It's going to look nice. Well, folks, this is what it's looking like, and it looks like it's almost done. I got maybe a couple little pieces left, but check it out. So, we have the red, we have the gray, and for plywood, I'm happy with it. And I made sure that I painted my counter to match all the other good stuff. And, hey, ceiling is 99.9% done. And listen, folks, I'm glad that you went with me on this journey to finally finish my ceiling. This is Dave from Yanis Outdoor Adventures. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.